Pasok. Okay na, agas.
So this is part of the river.
Wala pa kita.
Terus saan ibalik agas ninyo?
Atong niagi si Mana.
Liyaging sa Mayo.
Si Mana pa.
Ay, late.
Ali lang.
Tas ah. This is how high the water is, so it's at as high as a human being. That's how high the water is. So and it's a river at the side. Is there corn? Dili. Di na cannot be used anymore.
Kaputulan ng among bahay. Di na makaon, sir. Baho na.
So it affected their livelihood, especially those into farming and fishing. So scraps, so they can at least have this weighed, and at least they can have some income still.
Anong sakayan?
Ana, bago pa na nakumanog, ayo ang kanang usa ka sakayan kanang green. Bago pa na ayo, bago pa sa nagibutang nila ron diga. Pero ina mga kuan.
Kaya pa na-provide bagyo mga